Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and like the video. Clean the potatoes and cut them into small pieces. Crush 1 or 2 cloves of fresh garlic depending on the quantity of potatoes. Put it in an empty dish and add black pepper. Add salt and also add olive oil. Mix them all well together. Now add the potatoes in the same dish and mix them with the solution. Continue mixing until the potatoes are all covered in the oil. As you can all see, the potatoes are now all covered by the mixture. Now turn on the deep fryer. Put them inside and close. It will only take 13 or 15 minutes depending on the temperature you set, and they will be ready to be served. Here we are ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video. Bye.